Okay, let's begin. Built like a hero, always be on the grind. In one take like De Niro, my lyrics always shine. So for realer, dangerous on this mic, cause my words flip and slice randomly like dice. Funny how you choose and pick your battles, dude. Keep saying you number one, but I'm on top, yo, it's done. Dropping styles like napalm, fake rappers think they so strong. Verses full of hype and always ready for a fight. Spontaneous, magnanimous, cause they can't get close enough to run with us. Me, my ego, center of my cosmos. Yo, it's your best day and you like so not close. If you wanna battle, get it hard, get it raw. No emotions, I shake you until your chains fall off. What? Large, in charge, I set the bar high. You running with the big boys now. Get up, don't cry. Give me a beat. Got skills. Say what? I make thrills. Okay. Got skills. My style's ill. Got skills. Okay. I make thrills. Say what? Got skills. Okay. My style's ill. Let me twist it up. Homeboy, the jig is up. Rhymes like a fountain overflowing out this cup. Let me twist it up. Homeboy, your time is up. You failed the clown elimination round. Thanks for showing up. Yeah, critical breakdown. You need to change your interest. Go follow cat memes and baby squirrels on Pinterest. Used to dream about being so rich. Bunch of different colored diamonds on my wrist. Bunch of $100 bills in my fist. Never ever thought I would live to see this. For the record, let's get this straight. I'm number 1, 2, 3, and 4 out the gate.